in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how to download and start using Blackbox AI. So first, you will have to visit blackbox.ai or use blackbox.io and log in with your account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. If you want to use Blackbox in your browser, there's no download required at all. You can just start typing prompts on the homepage right away. So this is where you can type your codes and all that stuffs. And then, but for deeper coding integration, you will have to download the extension for Visual Studio Code. To do this, you will open VS Code and then you will click the extensions icon and search for Blackbox AI. Then you will have to click install, then sign in using your Blackbox credentials. And after that, you will be able to generate code, explain functions, and troubleshoot directly within your editor. If the extension doesn't activate right away, you will try to reload VS Code or restarting your computer. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.